In front of me I've got DDpai Mini 3 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to delete photos and videos. In the beginning make sure that your camera is connected with the DDpai app and then enter it. Select your camera, enter capture, tap select, select your captured videos and photos, and now tap trash icon. Same thing you can do with the emergency videos. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.